Okay, we're live. It is, oh good grief. Alright, no, just, okay, it's Friday, February 26th, alright, 2025. A while back, back on the 16th of September, I tried repairing this model here. This is a Sanyo MR-V8. And let's see here, I have it plugged in. It's a radio. Let's see here, volume. No, anyway, the radio works. Put it on tape, hit play. It only plays. It doesn't fast forward or rewind because it needs idler tires inside. Alright, so if I had the idler tires, I'd replace them, but I don't, so all I can do is play. No, wait. And well, evidently I have a grounding issue. I can't, it's just, this thing is old. It works. I have this one, I have a couple more I think, but I'm not buying these anymore because I found out that they use idler tires inside. So, let's see here, it was playing, now it's got, there's an issue with this switch, there it goes. Okay, so now there's no humming, yay, but I'm not going to play that in here because I basically need, now here's the other one that I was recently making the happy little speed calibration tape with, so, that with the application on the Android phone. So you hit eject, take the very same tape, throw it in here, hit play, just crank that down real low and put that up here. I can have some background sound for unboxing. Right, so I forgot my scissors. Here are my scissors. Okay, great. I need a box. Here's a box. Right, so let's just get to it. This is to give it a little shake. It's got a little shake to it, but alright, so I think the box is too big for the packaging, but who knows. So I don't like making these kind of videos. I have one more video to make, but this is the smaller of the two boxes that arrived recently. Oh gosh, well, there we go. Okay, that's interesting. I guess I actually have to use the scissors here. So, there we go. Alright, there we go. Got that side. Now we just got to fight with this. There we go. So we have some tubes. Tubes. Alright, tubes. And we got a box finally. There it is. It's a big old blue one. We got a couple of boxes. I don't know if there's anything in them. If they're using that for stuffing or what. I can't remember if this came with a power supply or not. But it's got newspaper in here, that's all. It's let's see what we got. What's in the news today? Oh, I can't read that. Can you read that? Anyway, okay. Alright, so let me get to the box here. That down out of the way. This, nothing in there, nothing in that one. Okay. What are these little boxes here? These little boxes of nothing. There's nothing in that one, and this is nothing as well. Okay, great. So, oh, it's got some writing on that there. All right, so we just. I got enough bubble wrap, haven't shipped anything in quite some time. I have a potential deal to ship off some other Sanyo M994s that I have a 994 And I have two K models, and then I have a Sanyo M9600, which is the Japanese domestic model of the 94. All right. So let's see here. So here we go. Here's this here. Oops. Yeah, let's just get the scissors in here. So there we go. Great. Now we gotta unwrap it. This is a Japanese domestic model. It's in much better condition than this one. There it is. Now it's still a little faded looking, but let's see here. So if it's got all the buttons, knobs, and whatnot. It's got a little bit of dust down. Still got the dust in there. All right, and then we've got a battery compartment. Clean, no rust. That's the thing that caught my eye. Okay, so it's a, here, I'll let you see it up close if you can. Hopefully you can see that, maybe not, I don't know. Anyway, it's at the standard end there. Alright, so let me get this thing out of the way. I write notes on the back of these so I know when they've been repaired. Did you see that? Okay, alright. So now, get our power cord, plug it in, see what we get. There it is. So it's in the take mode position, so we hit eject. Alright. And now we hit play. And nothing is rotating. Let me turn this off. My tape. So here's this. Alright, so motor is running. Okay. Motor is running. And motor running. Okay, so needs belts. The antennas are good. Comes out easy, comes out easy. Alright, need a little cleaning on those. And then, let's see here, and then what? Radio. It's way down here on the 85 scale. There we got tuning. And we have it in stereo. There, put it in stereo. Well, might need the antenna. Let's see it. I don't know what that is, but I might need to adjust the 19 kilohertz thing on here to get the. We just have tuning. We don't have stereo, so could be. Well, this could be. Let's see here. Not sure. Okay, so yeah, it's just needing cleaning. Alright, so tunes well. And this is just the
because of listener support. We're in a work moment right now. Your support has never been more vital. So join the Friends of KERA with a one-time gift of $1,500 or $125.
$1,500. You got that kind of money?
694-6931
Right, well,
or
KERAnews.org/.
Right,
turn that off. Alright, had too much fun. Let's put this down in the way. And we'll shut this down and pause and come back to it and open the last box. Alright, so good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. I'm not going to share this to 10,000 places like I did before. Alright, so this is after all Friday. So yeah, I'm feeling good. I'm great. You live in Pakistan. Well, I can't say that I've been to Pakistan, but or Kuwait. The closest I've been over there is Diego Garcia. Alright, good day. Salam alaikum. Bye-bye. turn this one off. Wait. While I'm waiting for that to go, fly through. Here, let me turn this thing off. Keep forgetting I make a backup camera. Right, so here's a, okay, so 10 minutes. Thanks for watching today. Bye-bye, gotta go.